last period we had seen preparation of bank reconciliation statement under overdraft balance. So in that, the opening balance, the balance will show in the minus column. That only difference. So now we will do 15th one. Overdraft shown by the passbook of Mr. Murali. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. Same only. Bank reconciliation statement. So now if I start this next chapter, then also no problem, because you know, as on 31st December 2014. Pavitra, turn on your video. So here overdraft as per cash book note, passbook balance is given. Okay, overdraft as per cash book. Sometimes they will give debit balance as per passbook, means overdraft. That also you can expect it. Overdraft balance as per passbook. It is given 20,000. It is given 20,000. So first one, bank charges debited in the passbook. Bank charges debited in the passbook. Bank charges debited in the passbook. Annette, plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
Next one. Check recorded in the cash book but not sent to bank for collection. Check recorded in the cash book. So cash book increase. Check recorded in the cash book. The cash book we wrote, but not sent to bank for collection. But not sent to bank for collection. So we received a check from, we sold goods and we received a check from any person, then that we recorded in the cash book but not sent to bank for collection. Anila, plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes. Next, received payment directly from customer. What is this point? Here passbook information only. What is this? Anyone? Received a payment directly from customer. What is this course? Which course is this one?
Directly transferred amount to bank account.
Yes, direct deposit by the customer into our bank account. Direct deposit by the customer into our bank account. So plus or minus, Karthik?
Minus.
Next, checks issued but not presented for payment. But not presented for payment. Sharad, plus or minus?
Which one?
Plus or minus?
Sir, which one's question?
Check issued. This is passbook, you have to look.
Minus.
Minus. Check issued, cash book decrease. Passbook increase. Passbook increase. So minus. Okay. Next. Interest. Credited by the bank. Interest credited in the passbook. That is this point. Interest credit by the bank. Atul, plus or minus?
Sir, minus.
Passbook increase. Yes. Next, LIC paid by bank. LIC paid by bank. Femina, plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes. Last, checks deposited but not cleared. Checks deposited but not cleared. Tomlin, plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
So here also minus is more. So overdraft. Minus 8 in total.
So
9,000.
10,000.
Total.
31,680.
Okay, 31,680. Then balance. Overdraft. Balance as per cash book. Minus 9,000. Same amount. Minus 9,000. So 22,680. Next, 16. Raghav. Raghav. Next, Raghav. So, Manichitra film, Innocent is Kunam. Raghav. Correct. Raghava and company have two bank account number 1 and account number 2. From the following particulars relate to account number 1. Find out the balance of that account of December 31st, 2014. Okay. So we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement of account number 1. Two account it is there. No problem. So heading bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2014. So overdraft as per passbook it is given. Overdraft balance as per passbook. Overdraft balance as per passbook. This is given 18,990. Now, first one, checks paid into bank but not credited. Checks paid into bank but not credited. Checks paid into bank but not credited. Pavitra, plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes, 10,000. Next, transfer of fund. Transfer of fund from account 2 to account 1. But entered in the cash book recorded by the bank. Okay, this data we recorded in the bank, but in the cash book we recorded after the date only. So date it is very important. This data they didn't record in the cash book. So we recorded only in the bank account. So what is this? Transfer of fund. Suppose I have two account. So in account number 1 I have 1 lakh. In account number 2 I have 3 lakh. So from 3 lakh 50,000 I transferred to my account number 2. So account number 2 to account number 1. So in this case, passbook increase or decrease? Anyone? Transfer of account number 2 to account number 1. Suppose now we are preparing the reconciliation statement related to account number 1. So account number 1 amount balance will be Sharath, increase or decrease passbook?
Passbook increase.
Passbook increase. Very good. Passbook increase. So minus. Okay. Transfer of fund. So my account number balance will be more amount. Okay. Suppose transfer fund from account number 1 to account number 2 means passbook will decrease. Next, check issued but not presented until after that date. So check issued but not presented. Checks issued but not presented. But not presented. Aparna, plus or minus?
Sir, minus.
Next, bank charges debited by bank, not entered in the cash book. So entered in the passbook only. Bank charges bank charges debited by bank. Bank charges debited by bank. Aditya, plus or minus?
Yes. Sir, plus.
Yes. Next, interest debited by bank, by the bank, not entered in the cash book. Not entered in the cash book. Interest debited by the bank. Interest debited by the bank. So Atul, plus or minus?
Sir, minus.
Debited by the bank. So passbook, Atul,
Sir, pass to.
debited in the passbook. Debited by bank. Passbook?
Sir, English.
No, opposite. Debited in the passbook. Debited by the bank means passbook decrease. Credited in the passbook. Credited by the bank means passbook increase. Okay. So I said, which one? Cash book debit means cash book increase only. Debit receipt only. But passbook debit means payment only. Opposite side. Cash book, receipt side and payment side. Passbook opposite only. Withdrawal, payment side and receipt side. Opposite. Okay. Cash book debit means cash book increase only. So passbook debit means passbook decrease. So plus. Next, over. Here also minus column is more. Overdraft balance as per cash book.
$34,490.
Total, Agnia?
34,490.
Okay. Balance
23,639. now next one. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement from the following particulars and show the balance as per cash book. Okay, balance as per passbook it is given.
bank reconciliation statement as on date is given 31st December. So first overdraft balance as per passbook overdrawn. So overdraft balance as per passbook. Overdraft balance as per passbook. $20,000. Next, first one. Interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft debited in the passbook. Interest on overdraft debited in the passbook. So plus or minus, not entered in the cash book. So entered in the passbook. Interest on bank overdraft. Femina,
Surplus.
yes, plus. Second one, insurance premium paid by the bank. Insurance premium not entered in the cash book, so entered in the passbook. Insurance premium paid by the bank. So our insurance premium paid by the bank. Anjo, turn on your video. Sharath, Pavitra. Anjo, insurance premium paid by the bank. Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. So 200. Next, check drawn. Checks drawn means a check issued but not cleared, but not presented till date, but not presented. Check drawn but not presented. Two check it is given 3,000, 3,500. Sharath, plus or minus, check drawn but not presented. Check issued but not presented.
Minus.
Minus. Next, check deposited but not credited. Checks deposited but not credited. Checks deposited but not credited. Aditya, plus or minus? Anila, plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes. Last, wrongly debited by the bank. Wrongly debited by the bank. Wrongly debited by the bank. Annette, wrongly debited by the bank. Plus or minus, wrongly debited by the bank.
So minus. So plus.
It's okay. Wrongly debited by the bank. So minus is more. So overdraft balance as per cash book.
$17,800.
Tell.
17,800.
Okay. 17,800. Now, next 18th and one project, cash book balance also given, next page, passbook balance also given. So that is not in the syllabus, but I will show that how to do. Then this chapter will be over. 18th, then project one, Silk and Carpets Limited, that one we will do. Okay, so now